Good morning everyone, my name is B. Satvik. I am from CSSC section. My roll number is 20951A05G3. Today my topic is exact formula and improved bonds for general sum connectivity index of graph operations. The subject is discrete mathematical structure. Abstract. For a molecular graph, the general sum connectivity index is defined as XBT in summation of VW ET DRV DRW whole power beta, where beta belongs to IR and DRV denotes the degree of the vertex in the molecular graph T. The problem of finding best possible upper and lower bounds for certain topological indexes is of fundamental nature in extremal graph theory obtained by the sharp bounds of general connectivity index for graph operations FSM graphs introduced by Elise and Thierry. In this paper, for B belongs to IN, we figured out and improved the sharp bounds of general sum connectivity for FSM graphs where F belongs to RQT, improved the sharp bounds of the general sum connectivity index. Several examples are present to elaborate and compare the results of improved bounds with existing bounds. In addition, we obtain exact formula for general sum connectivity index of FSM graphs when f is equal to x. S. Introduction. Assume R is equal to V of t, E of t, be simple, connected and finite molecular graph. We denote vertex set H by V of t and E of t belongs to V of t into V of t respectively. The order and size of the graph denoted by V of t is equal to n, E of t is equal to m respectively. Each vertex of a molecular graph represents atom and each dipside bonds with bonding of two atoms. The degree of vertex V belongs to V of t symbolized by dgv. In this number of incident edges with V, a path graph or linear graph Pn of length n minus 1 B graph consisting of vertex set Vi is to 1, I is equal to 1 comma 2 comma n, and its set Vi plus 1 I is equal to 1 comma 2 comma n minus 1 till n minus 1. A cycle Cn having length nb graph consisting of vertex set Vi is I, where I is equal to 1 comma 2 comma n, and its set Vi plus 1 where I is equal to 1 comma 2 comma n minus 1 union Vn Va1. Molecular graph R illustrate the conclusion of molecular structures where vertices correspond to atoms and edges to covalent bonds between atoms. The topological index is number quantity computed mathematically from parameters of molecular graphs and correlates the meaningful information with the organic compound under study. TS remain invariant with respect symmetry properties. Isomorphism of R, various types of valency distance spectral and counting polymers related to TIs of molecule graphs are proposed in literature. However, degree related TIs are extensively investigated due to their significance to conduct QSAR or QSPR analysis. Topological invariance being input play essential role to better understand the complexity of molecules, physiochemicals and biological properties of corresponding chemical compound. First Zagreb and second Zagreb indices are the pioneers. TIs, which were introduced by Guterman and Transig, are defined as MIR is summation of V belongs to V, D square V is equal to summation of dV plus dW, M to R is equal to summation of dV dW. Lee extends the concept of first Zagreb index and provided the idea of first general Zagreb index of FGZI, which is given by 10. M power alpha R is equal to summation of dr alpha V is equal to summation of dr alpha minus 1 of V plus dr alpha minus 1 of W, where alpha belongs to R, alpha is equal to not equal to 0 and alpha not equal to 1. It is obvious that we did the first Zagreb index M1 of T and forgotten topical index f of t by setting alpha is equal to 2 and alpha is equal to 3 in FG respectively. Milan and Randick introduced a TI with name branching connectivity index. It and high rank in chemical graph theory due to its applied nature, and its formula is given by R2. R is equal to summation of 1 by root over dVW, and Bolbas and Eddowes extended the idea and proposed general random index GRA, which is defined as R alpha of R is equal to summation of DRV DRW whole power alpha. Clearly, alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2 gives the classical random index R minus 2 of R, and alpha is equal to 1 provides second Zagreb index M2 of R. The additive version of random index is known as sum connectivity and index, which is instated by Joe and Ranjik in 2009, and its formula is given by x power 1 by 2 of R is equal to summation of 1 by root over dV plus dW. In 15, Ho and Transnick 2010 presented the concept of general sum connectivity index GSCI and established what does Gadam type results for GSCI. It is defined as follows: x beta of R is equal to summation of drv plus drw whole power beta. Beta belongs to IR. The significance and effectiveness of CSGI can be witnessed by relation with diverse TRs. Example: x1 is the first Zagreb index, x2 is the hyper Zagreb index, 2x minus 1 is the harmonic index, and x minus 1 by 2 is classical sum connectivity index. Moreover, both r minus 1 by 2 of R and x minus 1 by 2 of R correlate well with each other, as well as with the pi electron energy of benzoyl hydrocarbon. Chemical applications and mathematical properties of these indices are investigated and presented in mathematics, which will be used in the main results. Binomial and trinomial theorem. Binomial and trinomial theorems are quick ways to expand binomial and trinomial expression involving higher powers. Their formula expressions are presented below respectively. x1 plus x2 whole power n is equal to summation of I is equal to 0 to n of ni x1 n minus 1 x2 power I. x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole power n is equal to summation of a comma b comma c. A plus b plus c equal to n. P abc x1 power a, x2 power b, x3 power c, where P ABC is equal to ABC plus A plus B plus C factorial by A factorial plus B factorial plus C factorial. Cartesian product is convenient and elegant to develop a larger network from smaller graphs, and it's crucial for design as well as analysis of networks. The Cartesian products simple graphs R1 and R2 is a new graph denoted by R1 box R2 whose vertex set is VT1 box VR2 is equal to VR1 into VR2, and whose set is the set of all pairs V1 comma W1 of V2 comma W2 such that either V1 and V2 belongs to T1 and W1 is equal to W2, or W1 W2 belongs to T2 and V1 equal to V2. Thus every edge of T1 and every edge of T2 contributes 4 edges in T1 box T2. Moreover, modulus of V T1 box T2 is equal to N1 N2, and modulus of E T1 T2 is equal to E1 N2 plus E2 N1. For a connected simple graph R, the subdividend graph S of R, the triangle parallel R of R, line superposition Q of R, and total graph T of R can be constructed as follows. S of R is derived from base graph R by placing an additional node on every edge of R. R of R is achieved from S of R by connecting the end solid vertices of the original edges of R that are incident within thin vertices. Q of R is attained by S of R by linking those pairs of adjacent solid vertex. T of R is consumed from S of R by applying R of R and Q of R simultaneously. Results and discussion. The main results regarding general sum connectivity in index for f-sum graphs: R1 plus SR2 into R1 plus RR2 into R1 plus QR2 and R1 plus TR2, where R1 and R2 are considered to be connected simple graphs. Throughout N1 equal to VR1, N2 is equal to VR2, E1 is equal to modulus of ER1, E2 is equal to modulus of ER2. V of SR1 is equal to N1 plus E1, E of ST1 SR1 is equal to 2 E1, M power M naught R1 is equal to N1 M1 R1 is equal to 2 E1, M1 R2 is equal to 2 E2, M2 R1 is equal to M1 T1, M square T2 that is equal to M1 T2. R1 R2 is equal to M2 R2, X naught R2 is equal to E2, X1 R1 is equal to M1 R1, M1 R1. Here is the theorem 1. Here are some examples. Applications and conclusions. Results for cycle CR and CN. Let CR and CS be two cycle graphs with vertices R and S respectively. Then GSCI of F sum graphs CR plus SCS into CR plus RCS, CR plus QCS and CR plus RCS are given as x beta CR plus SCS is equal to summation of I is equal to 0 to beta I RS 2 power 2 beta of 1 plus 2 power 1 minus I x beta of CR plus RCS is equal to summation of I is equal to 0 to beta I R2 2 power 2 beta minus 1 of 1 plus 2 power 2I plus summation of A plus B plus C is equal to beta P ABC of 2 power 2A plus B plus C plus 1S. Results for path P1 and P2. Let P1 and PR and PS be two cycle graphs with vertices R and S respectively. Then GSCI of F sum graphs PR and SPS and lower and upper bounds of GSCI for PR, RPS, PR plus 0PS and PR plus T. Conclusion. To find sharp bounds for certain topological index is always an intricate and interesting problem. In sharp bound for GSCA of 4 operations on graphs are presented. Version of lower and upper bounds of GSCI for F sum graphs where F belongs to RQT and B belongs to IN. In addition, we derived exact formula for GSCI of graph R1 plus SR2 and presented some examples. To conclude, we elaborate and compared with our improved bounds with the sharp bounds represented in by taking tiny examples where beta is equal to 2 and beta is equal to 3. Our bounds involve order size, smallest degree, largest degree of R, and certain emittent size consequence. One can observe and analyze that our results perform equally well for any kind of parameters, while the sharp bounds deviate from exact value for larger values of beta. Thank you.